That's perfect.
Kind of land it on the front when it starts sloping upwards, the front part of it.
So we're just going to exchange our 7-iron here for our wedge, and we're going to try and implement some of the same ideas we talked about in our short game lesson the other day. So go ahead, go up and hit this shot here, set up for it just as you would your sand wedge, so that little bit thinner stance. We're going to take a couple practice swings here, practicing, what do we talk about, that good brush of the ground is how we know we're going to take it. There's no reason to ever really take a divot on this shot or disturb that turf too much. We're just looking for a nice graze, that nice smooth brush. Very good. All right, so I want you to do that same principle that we talked about in the pre-shot routine too. Stepping back here, thinking about that visualization. What are you going to look like stepping over this ball? What's the swing going to look like? And then what's that ball going to look like as it travels to the hole? Once you have a good idea of that, step into it, take your one practice swing, and execute that shot. Very good. So because we used the 7-iron there, it got up the hill. It's a little short. We're going to have you do it one more time. Let's remember, though, to do the full pre-shot routine. Remember, we're trying to get it all the way down to that back level. So visualize how fast that ball is going to be rolling through. How big is your swing going to need to be? All the details in this visualization what we have here. There you go. Very nice held finish. It's rolling down the hill. Maybe a little long, but an excellent result. So break down what we just talked about there with the strategy and then the pre-shot routine and execution.
Well, we talked about, at least on this shot, dealing with the bridge. You need to factor in whether you want to land it before the bridge or after, because if you land it on top, anything could really happen. So ideally, what we want to do is, based on what we're working with on the green, figure out what kind of lofted club we want to use, what kind of shot we want to hit, and then implement pre-shot routine that matches that, and that's kind of the strategy.
Very good. All right, that's good, Phil.